Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to insert SIM card in iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's have a look. In iPhone 13 Pro Max, in the box, you will find SIM-eject tool. In iPhone 13 Pro Max, you will see the SIM tray on the left side. To pop open the SIM tray, insert a paper clip or a SIM eject tool into the hole beside the tray. Softly push in towards the iPhone. After remove the SIM tray from your iPhone, notice the notch in one corner of your SIM card. Place the SIM card into the tray. It will fulfill only one way because of the notch. Then insert the tray into the device completely. That's it. These are the steps to insert SIM card in iPhone 13 Pro Max. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.